Hey everyone, I'm excited to show you today how to make an awesome cauliflower soup with some Middle Eastern flavors using the Luvele Vibe blender. The great thing about this blender is that it can handle both cold and hot ingredients up to 90 degrees Celsius, making it super easy and really quick to make your favorite winter soups. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit subscribe now if you want to see more Luvele Life recipes and other ways to use your Luvele appliances. So the first thing we need to do is roast off our cauliflower with some onion, garlic, and our spices. It'll go into the oven at 180 degrees for around 45 minutes. I've got a medium-sized cauliflower head here, and I'm just going to break off the florets and lay them into a baking tray. To our cauliflower, I'm going to add 4 whole garlic cloves, and I'm just going to slice up 1 brown onion to add to the pan as well. Now I'm going to add our spices to the pan. I've got 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and 3/4 teaspoon of sumac. Finally, a little bit of salt and pepper, and we'll drizzle it with some olive oil, give it a toss, and put it in the hot oven. While the cauliflower is roasting in the oven, I'm going to chop up 1/4 cup of hazelnuts and lightly toast them on the stove. Those we can use for garnishing later on. Now that our veggies are nicely roasted and out of the oven, all we need to do now is add them straight to the blender jug with 3 cups of hot chicken stock and 1 cup of milk. We can put the lid on now and we'll blend on soup mode for 50 seconds. Once it's all smooth, we can add the juice of half a lemon, and if it's looking a little thick, we can pour in a little bit of water to thin it out or a little bit more milk. Now, I was going to say this earlier, but you can actually use whatever milk you want. I've used a dairy whole fat milk today, but you could use something like almond milk instead. In just 60 seconds, the blender has turned all of our ingredients into the smoothest soup you could ask for. It's all ready now to pour into bowls, and we're just going to garnish with that toasted hazelnut that we did before and a little bit of extra sumac. This soup is healthy and full of flavor. It's made extra silky and smooth using the Vibe blender. Give it a go at home and let us know how you go in the comments below. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget, hit subscribe if you haven't already to see more Luvele Life recipes.